Hey guys, you're gonna love today's video. This is a retro look by Greg, one of my favorite vlogs that we've ever done. It's amazing. You're gonna pick up some tips, some tricks, a little bit of juices and berries. Enjoy the vlog. You guys want to hear a joke?
Oh, yes, please.
It's a good one. You guys ready for this joke? Decaffeinated. I think I spend like majority of my day in this, right, with me, and caffeine is a nutrient, vitamin of life, sunshine of the light, days make bright, caffeine in my life, juice, it's love juice. Love juice in my veins. Soaking up my soul to give me the power. You know what I'm saying, Tracy?
You're gonna hold it for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay, hold it.
Antics at Young Nails. Tracy just challenged Greg.
It's going now.
Challenged him to what exactly?
Thanks.
You're thinking.
To sit like this for 5 minutes.
So what, sit like that for 5 minutes?
Sit and squat.
You ready?
Hey, where am I at?
You're good. I got you. Hold it. Hold it.
All right, let's get us an explanation of the set of nails Gregory Salo is gonna do for us on the vlog. Greg, talk to me. Tell me something. Speak the truth to me, my brother, right now.
Get it up.
Way.
That's so stupid.
All right, nails, brother, nails.
Tracy showed me a pic from one of our mentors, and so we want to be able to take the concept, it's a line art effect on one of the nails, and we're complementing them with some of the brighter Mission Control colors. We're going to be using...
It's like a combination.
Yeah, we're going to be using blue, which is Orbit. We're going to be using Mega Jam, which is the really, really bright neon pink. And yeah, Sonic, which is that incredible turquoise color.
And the little dude on the video game too. So this is like a real like combination you're gonna do. I don't know why that, like, I think, like when I think combination, the first thing that comes to mind, bro, is like a taco plate, like combination A, B. You choose in the back of the menu.
Like a pinto box?
It's like, well, not a what? A pinto box? Bent, bro.
Pinto.
Tracy's like pentagram.
She's gonna come in and carved in her forehead. What are you doing, Trace?
She's all, I'm thinking about a combination plate, pentagram.
Changing my voice.
gotta say, those nails are unbelievable. Ramon took a day off today, so he's not here. Should we go through his stuff? Let's see. This is weird. Yeah, it's not. X-rated Star Wars squirrel. It's very bizarre. Ramon, I'm changing this. This is not appropriate for kids.